think Emile is first of all a family story. Our family, the Henry family, we have a passion for ceramics, we have a passion for food, and it's a family story because we produce products that have a soul and that are meant to be used for family. I'm Jean-Baptiste Henry. I'm the CEO and owner of Emile. I represent the sixth generation of this company, from father to son, sixth generation since 1850. We are in France, in Burgundy, which is a land of gastronomy, a land of nice surroundings, and that's where Emile is located since the very beginning. Ceramics, not only ours, but all the ceramics, are the art of earth and fire, and the earth is the clay, the mixture, the initial mixtures that you need to control, and you need to have very good knowledge about it. And fire is how it's the firing temperature and the firing process. We believe that the colors convey happiness and generosity. But I think it's part of our story that we convey colors that are also linked to colors of the Burgundy, of this region. And so we get inspiration from the trees, from the stones, from a nice ingredient that we like. And so we really think colors are part of cooking. If people spend good moments with our product or thanks to our products, then we are fully satisfied. It means good moments while cooking. I think also Food52 probably has a customer that really understand the soul of Emile and that understand why we made the choice that we produce in France, that we are keen and passionate about cooking. When you cook, you perpetuate a certain tradition that is the tradition that you have lived when you were at home and your parents were cooking, and recipes you've learned with your grandmother. Cooking and food is not only to eat, but it's much more than this.